Hello and welcome to Hey, How's the Market? A monthly update on real estate for the Columbus, Ohio area in about 2 minutes. I'm Dennis Lee. I'm a realtor with Key Realty. The July real estate numbers are out and it went pretty much as expected. Looking at the last 10 years, prices start to climb in January until they peak in June, then they taper off a bit. That appears to be what's happening now. July was the first month to break the trend of this record-breaking climb we've been on in Columbus. The median price of homes dropped for the first time. From June to July, it went down 2.2%, and I predict that cooling trend will be at least mostly true for the rest of this year. Then we'll probably have a climb on price next spring. We are still in a seller's market, and inventory is low compared to previous years. The average sales price for all of the Columbus MLS was about $361,000, and houses are still going for a little bit over asking price on average. Of course, individual towns and school districts will vary. New Albany had the highest average sales price at $1.45 million, whereas Marion and Whitehall were on the more affordable side in the 170s. The Columbus area remains one of the hottest markets in all of America, and Gahanna, the 43230, is the #1 hottest zip code for 2023 in all the United States. Check out my next video that I'll put out soon about Ohio as a whole, where all of these towns are that are doing really well. We have 10 of the top 50 hottest zip codes in the U.S. So check that out. So is now a good time to buy or sell? Well, as always, that depends on your individual circumstances. It might be a great time for you to buy, and it might be a horrible time for someone else. With rates on a 30-year fixed mortgage currently at about 7.5%, that is higher than they've been in years, a lot of people are staying out of the market. Usually that's just going to be thought of as nothing but bad for buyers, but higher interest rates might be a quiet blessing. Let me tell you why. When interest rates drop, more people will want to buy houses, and that increased competition tends to drive prices up. Right now, some lenders have programs now that will allow you to refinance within the first 2 years of your loan for no fee. There's so many new programs available because these lenders have had to get creative to get new people into the market. So if you are curious about financing and buying, reach out to me. I know some really great lenders that I can recommend you to. I talk to these people all day, every day. Looking past that, so for sellers with inventory so low, there's still a great demand for houses, and they're still selling quickly. Now looking at Ohio or Columbus, Ohio real estate investment as a whole, look at this chart and imagine it were a stock. Who wouldn't buy that as a stock? I'm not here for investment advice, but I personally feel very good about putting my own money into Central Ohio real estate. There's so much more to talk about, but my 2 minutes are up. If you're in Central Ohio and want to know what your house might be worth on paper, I can email that to you every month for free with way more stats. I just purchased a cool new tool that helps you track your home's equity, would let you know about different home equity lines, all kinds of stuff. So please share this video, tell your friends, reach out if there's anything I can do to help. Thanks for watching.